Hey guys, I am working on a job in the office, and today I want to we talk about this all the time, batch processing versus one piece flow. And I've got a job here that has 6 closets in it. And so this is a classic envelope stuffing one. If you haven't watched that video, go search it and watch the envelope stuffing one piece flow versus batch processing. But I want to go over this and talk about this so that we can, I'm going to be honest with you, it's not as simple and easy as just saying, oh, we're just going to do one closet and move on to the next. And it varies with the number of people that we've got on the job. But I want you to make sure that you look at this and think about this. So let's take a look. So in this job, we've got a master closet that's a walk-in. It's got 3 walls. It's going to have a couple of cuts on it. And so pretty simple stuff. There's double hang, boom, boom. And then we have an office that's just a simple closet, 2 sections. We have a craft room that's 2 sections with some more shelves in it. We have a spare bedroom that's got 3 sections in it. We have a hall closet, and we have a laundry room. So what batch processing would be is we come in, that lead installer, he hangs the rail in here, goes to here, hangs the rail, goes to here, hangs the rail, goes to here, hangs the rail. You get my point. He goes all that, and then he goes back over here and does some work. And then he's waiting on the helper, and so he comes over here and does some work, and then he comes back over here. This right here, my finger going back and forth, that is our wasted motion. So my suggestion on this, and like I said, it varies with number of people you got on a job. If you are a solo installer doing this job, I want you to come in here and take into effect this. This also comes from the shop of how we load this, but I want you to come in and I want you to start and complete this job in this closet. When you're done from here, you leave and you never come back in, and then do the same thing here, complete, and move on and complete. Don't be going back and forth, because that's our batch processing. We're gonna go hang all the verticals, and then we're gonna go over here and hang all the verticals, and I don't know who that is calling, but hang in there with me. That's where it comes from. So you got to think about that. If you have a helper with you, you can come and work in this closet, but when you leave this closet, your helper needs to be able to finish this without you having to come back. Now you're going to come back at the end, and you're going to verify that he has done a great job on this and that it's spotless clean and all that. You're responsible for that. But once you leave, you don't want to have to come back. So you don't want to hang the rail and go over here and then come back and put the verticals in if he's not qualified to do that. If he's qualified to do all that stuff, excellent. Leave him there, and he can do that. But if you're hanging the rail and doing, putting in the locking shelves, and he's just going to put the adjustable in, that's where you're going to go. And when you're going to go from there, then you're going to go to this one, and you're not going to come back. That's where we get it. And so and as an example, if we got 2 guys on a job, we should never be working on more than 2 closets at a time. So we're going to complete this one and move to this next one, but we're not going to be working on all 4 of them at once, because that's my finger there. That's my wasted motion. We're doing all of this. If that's driving you nuts, it should drive you nuts on the installation as well. Hope this helps. Let's take some time and talk about that in our meeting. Some of this could be how we load it. In a scenario that you're working here by yourself and this is loaded to where it's a random load, you might have to bring everything in and lay it out, and then go work on this closet and never come back to it, and then this closet and never come back to it. So there's just some options. Let's talk about that and work on how we can make this one piece flow and that we're not having any waste. Thanks.